about that? What do you have to say about that?
I'll get the next one. I'll get the next one. Yo, just check the score, bro.
Nah, now we play.
Yo, that's the sound you want to hear.
Yeah.
What's your, what do you think?
Oh, what? Feeling good?
Always, baby. Except when I don't. Hell no.
Oh, bro, that was smooth.
Shit, I'm gonna get that. Watch right
What the fuck was that about?
God, that's even worse than right.
Sit down, sit down.
Sir, how you feeling right now, sir?
I feel like shit.
Okay.
It's my redeem myself.
Honestly, baby, I love it. Bang. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Look at that face. Big win for me. Big win, yeah. You don't see the numbers, boy. Yeah, look at little guy. Yeah. Look at that moment. This is my stuff. Oh, damn. That was myself.
All I have to say.
Yo, how do you feel about that? How about that big loss, bro?
Wasn't my best performance, but hey, man, it is what it is. We bounce back. Round 2 coming soon.
How do you feel?
Stay tuned for next week, children. I always feel good, baby.
God, only when you're making feel better. You want to feel better.
That was rigged. I need a recount right now.
Several days later.
Oh, what is this? Explain to people.
Yo, this Japanese, as they say, konnichiwa. No, just because that knife, like, hot. I bought him that knife. Oh yeah. Yo, y'all see that little bit of pink in there?
It's really well cooked.
Nah, I'll tell you, bro.
It looks dry as hell.
Hell no, it doesn't look dry. Look at that, bro. Yo, let's bring it on to this table right here. Let's bring it right here. Dang. What did the homies do?
Yeah, explain.
What is this called?
What?
The
Chimichurri.
chimichurri sauce. Yogurt for the lamb.
Mm-hmm.
Got the lamb right here, lamb right there. Yo, man behind the camera, man. You got some cheese.
Damn, man.
Modu behind the camera has to. Yo, what is this? Cheese, bro?
Some sort of cheese, man. Some sort of cheese,
You
man.
found that shit on the street.
Cochon volant. The flying bee. Oh my god, it smells pretty cringy shit.
How much percentage we're looking at?
I'm trying to see.
Hey, so what do we got?
6.5.
6.5. Shit, we need 90%. One sipper got
Bro, you know rubbing alcohol is like 70?
Excellent.
But like, bro, you smell that and it's only 70%.
What is the max? What, 40? I've had a 40%.
I don't know actually. I think drink alcohol, which is pure alcohol, which I think is like
The flying pig.
Z.
Z.
He's the German flying. The German pig.
Did you pray today? Did you pray today?
Cause if you didn't know.
Hey, this for YouTube.
Cause if you didn't, I'ma have to dick you down on some gangster shit.
The first week. Bro, you remember the number from 1 to 1,000,000?
1 hour later.
I changed my mind. Look, I'm not an issue. I did it for like 2 months.
You have weird shoes.
I just should try it. Somebody involved.
Well, I'm dripped out right now. I'm just saying.
Also, you tried it.
Try what?
You know, down.
So.
No, I told you. I didn't.
Also, wipe it with your nose.
I know, bro. My nose is too sexy for these freaking people.
Worst case, we all go different directions. Where
You know what? Just light that shit up here and I'll go back inside.
let's try Bosco's house.
You can keep the cup.
Yo, here. Oh, shit. Oh, my.
Yo, we don't know which direction.
Where?
Bro, if they trap us on this way, I'm jumping over that way.
These guys are crazy, man.
Jumping over that fence.
You only live once, baby.
When you see Bosco's jacket, you know.
Yeah.
Oh,
Did you hear it?
And you said it after he like blew it up.
Wait, ready? Oh.
shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm about to go. Abort. Run it. Oh, what the fuck? Oh shit. That's all? Oh shit. What is that? No.
Yo, Harry Potter shit! I'm breaking down, bro.
Yo, that guy actually fucked with me, bro.
Yo, j'attends à ce qu'il vise ma ass.
Hey, how was that? Good shit? That's so
Oh my god! Happy New Year!
Oh, fucking prick.